Hello, welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about text today. Got the text button here on the right hand side, and you see we've got a lot of basic stuff here, right? So motion titles, one section. We've got classic titles, and generally, if we're going to start with anything, we'd start with default text in classic titles general. So we can put that in there. We can extend that to whatever length we want. You can see if we want to, so for instance, say we text, I didn't mean to do that. But okay, so say we take some text in here, whatever we want to put in here. What I've noticed is that it's all very modular. Like in early versions of like with Flash or DirectMX or whatever, it wouldn't be like this. We just press V to have select to do the selection pointer. So now I can do this, and yeah, can move that around wherever we want. Let's see what else we can do. So we've got a variety of different styles we can do. They used to be in Flash. I remember I used to press like Control Alt 2, Control Alt 5. Let's see if that works. No, a lot of stuff doesn't work anymore, basically. I'm just wondering if you do that. Yeah, so you can see what the various different the fonts are in terms of style. There's a lot of different styles, actually. A lot of different styles. Trying to think like what is suitable for like a modern thing. This I think is what I used. I've used ones like this before. That's kind of cool. It really is just a case of different fonts. Chaparral's quite good. Trying to think like what it might be. No. Obviously we did a. I think probably we'll go for a Chaparral one here. Okay, so say we choose this one. Alignment, is this aligned to stage? Yeah, so we can align to, let me just try it. Okay, so with that is there, the align to stage buttons. And this will be the internal section of the text. Put underline on it. Let's not do the underline though. So, in terms of animation, what do we got in shapes as well? I'm not sure how we're gonna. Why would we put a shape in there? I wonder. I don't know why we would put a shape in there. The problem with putting a shape in there is I'm not sure if there's a move to front, move to back button in the layering system. You'd have to do 2 layers if you wanted to do that, right? That's basically a level of complexity that is not required this video. This is literally the most basic. So here are our options with the color properties. That looks quite good. Let me just see if I can do. I want to see if I can do full color gradient. Okay, we can. So for some reason that wasn't working. All right. So what color? Trying to think. Like, let's do like a yellow and then blue. Let's do maybe a 2 color gradient. Let's go from yellow to blue. Let's just see, right? So I want it to be. This one can be blue. Can it? It's just something like. What would you change the stroke weight? It doesn't count. So that's the fill. All right, we'll leave it at that. It's very basic anyway. So in terms of the animations, what do we have? We've got the ranges, fade, move in and out. Let's try a special effect because why not? Let's go into special effect. Right, so what are the options here? Italics, magnet, ripple. Let's try ripple. I always like to do ripple. Anything happening? Oh, something is happening. Oh, that's weird. So it applies it over the course of the whole thing. We'll put it on time stretch. We could just lessen the length of the clip, but I don't think that's going to work. So we want it to last 3 seconds, right? 6 seconds, 5 or 6 seconds. Okay, so now it's faster. Oh, okay, we can finally see the keyframe. So what? Let's put it on this keyframe. Yes. Yeah, okay. Okay. So the blend mode is actually making a difference there. So if I change this to the motion, scale is what the one I want, right? Oh, right, so it's giving me a whole thing, right? So here, right, I should be, I don't know why, for instance, see, I'm on motion, I'm on scale, right? I should be able to add a keyframe here. If I add a keyframe here, it should appear here, right? Because I've got motion, I've got scale. Okay. But why I can't add it there, I've got no idea, to be honest. So we'll start this at 20, 25. Go to 3 seconds, add a keyframe. I can add one here now. Okay. And you can be 200. All right, now what we want to do is let's just, so if I click on this, let me just check if this was, because to be honest, I didn't really want to do opacity. Okay. All right, that's going to do it for this video. I actually achieved what I wanted to achieve, which is always a good sign when you're trying to make a video. So thanks for watching.